how to change Google language from Icelandic to English or from any other languages to English. So before proceeding further, just to make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you will receive all my latest
Italian
updates.
to English.
So guys, let's get started.
Japanese to English.
So guys, the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome and then
to English.
click on your search bar
Kazakh
and
to
then
English.
type CHROME
Khmer to English.
Chrome and then
Korean to
colon
English.
and then forward slash
Kurdian
and then
to
setting,
English.
ACTTING
Kurdish to
settings,
English.
and then hit enter button. Once you hit enter button, as you will able to see the sidebar, okay, sidebar of your Google Chrome. You just click on the sidebar logo here, and then what you have to do is you have to go to the advanced setting. Even though you do not understand the language showing up on your Google Chrome, you can follow this procedure and then you will be able to change your language from any languages to English. Okay? So what you have to do is you have to select this option. As you can see,
Macedonian
this is the advanced button. Once you click there, you have to select this option. As you can see the logo. Okay, if you don't understand the language, you just recognize the logo and then proceed further.
Malayalam to
so you
English.
have to click on this globe
Maltese
button.
to English.
So once you click there, you'll be able to see the advanced option here. What you have to do is click on the top button.
Mongolian
this
to
is
English.
The language button. Click over
Nepali
here.
to English.
And then you can see there
Norwegian
are
to
the
English.
languages listed what I have selected
Ninja
previously.
to English.
So now this is
Pashto to
the
English.
add language button. Okay,
Persian
this is the
to
add language
English.
button. Once you click here,
Polish
you get
to
all the
English.
languages available on your Google
Portuguese
Chrome.
to English.
So what you have to do is
Punjabi
type
to
English,
English.
ENGLISH,
Romanian
and
to
then you can
English.
select your English, whatever
Russian
you
to
prefer.
English.
Australia, Canada, South
Samoan
Africa, New
to
Zealand,
English.
United Kingdom. So I have already selected
Stock
United
Gaelic
States,
to
so it is
English.
not showing up here. So what I'll do is I'll select Australia.
Serbian
and then I'll
to English.
click over here. You have to
Shona
click
to
here,
English.
okay? This is OK button.
Sindhi to
So once you
English.
click there, what you
Sinhala
have to do
to
is
English.
I have selected this
Slovak
one, okay?
to English.
English Australia.
Slovenian
so
to
now
English.
click on the three dot
Somali
button,
to English.
and then what you have to do is
Southern Sotho
mark
to
this
English.
button, Google Chrome.
Spanish to English.
Show up Google Chrome. Okay?
Sundanese to
so once
English.
you click there, and then you have
Swahili
to launch
to English.
this language. Okay, you click over here.
Swadesh to English.
Once you click there,
Tajik
Google
to
Chrome
English.
will reopen,
Tamil to
and then
English.
your entire languages
Telugu
will
to
be
English.
reset into
Thai
English
to
language.
English.
As you can see,
Turkish
your language
to
is
English.
now English
Ukrainian
Australia.
to English.
And then now you click here and then you select the language, or whichever you prefer, United States or any other languages. So this is how you can change Google language from any languages to English language. So guys, I hope this video helps you a lot. If it helps you, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.